The Mexico Electronic Authorization System, also called SAE, is an online way for eligible travelers to get permission to enter Mexico without a consular visa. If you're a citizen of Ukraine, Russia, or Turkey and plan to fly to Mexico, you can apply for SAE online instead of going to a Mexican embassy. Once approved, the SAE travel authorization is valid for 30 days from the date it is issued and allows a single entry into Mexico. After you arrive, you can stay in Mexico for up to 180 days for purposes like tourism, business, or transit. Remember, SAE only works for air travel. It can't be used if you enter by land or sea, or if your airline doesn't participate in the system. To use it, you must print your electronic authorization and show it with your passport at the airline counter and when you arrive in Mexico. SAE doesn't guarantee entry. Immigration officers will check your documents and purpose of travel before deciding.